Hello, welcome to Alternative Medicine. I am Dr. Maria Martins or Bhakti Shakti. I studied alternative medicine from India. I will help you to create more health and make you feel even better in your life. This medicine is holistic, so it helps you to take care of each and every area of your life, creating and maintaining balance and fulfillment. This medicine will teach you about self-care and self-healing, recognizing your individual spiritual nature. It will teach you to focus on good nutrition, physical exercises and preventive practices. You can choose to increase your vital, mental and sexual powers with natural cures techniques. Namaste. Thank you for watching me on my channel tantrananda.com. Subscribe to my channel to get more of remedies and alternative medicines.